I want to let you guys in on a little secret. So I used to question myself all the time about everything when it comes to putting on a top, to saying something to anyone, to making life-altering decisions, or even choosing what sandwich to pick. And I'm sure that a lot of you guys can relate. So the thing is that I was able to overcome this by working on my self-concept from super low to super high. I did this in 2022, and now I don't question anything. Okay, backtracking. This took me a couple of weeks to do in 2022, and I never looked back. Literally, I never looked back. Do you know how at peace I feel? I never have to question myself. I know that I'm the best. I don't see competition at all. I'm not affected by anything. I'm comfortable in my own skin. I feel fully, truly at peace. And I know that I am the operant power of my reality, and I manifest everything super quickly. So if you want to have a high self-concept, I would highly recommend for you to enroll in the Perfect Self-Concept course. This will be accessible to you in the description box down below. It is going to be the very first link. This is going to take you directly to the sales page, but you can see frequently asked questions there. You can see a module breakdown. You can see testimonials. I promise you, your life will never be the same. You will not only have a perfect self-concept and manifest everything instantly, but I actually teach you how to maintain this. I teach you how to maintain a perfect self-concept because I fear that people talk about self-concept on YouTube, but they don't talk about how to actually keep it. So I have a whole module on that. The course is magic and people are so in love with it. I get amazing feedback every single day. So again, click on the very first link in the description box down below, or just go on ritakaminski.com/courses. I'm so excited for you. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to be unrecognizable in 3 days. I'm so excited. This is a thing and it's going to happen to you, and I'm so excited for you. I have just the thing, but you need to follow it step by step, okay? Don't be skipping any steps. You got this, you're powerful, you know exactly what to do, you're a perfect master manifester. Let's get it. Let's go. But before we do, you're more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. Okay, I want you to follow my exact steps, please. So what we're going to be doing, please don't run and hide when I say the fucking V word, because I know a lot of you guys in the law of assumption community hate it. I have just the thing for you, don't worry. But I love visualizing, so I'm gonna talk about that first. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. If I can visualize, and I know that visualizing is gonna lead me to a juicy booty, slim waist, green eyes, long hair that's thick, as an example. Do you think I'm going to do that? I think that you should definitely give visualization a go when you are manifesting for appearance change. So in the evening, I want you to use that, and I want you to visualize exactly how you want to look. Now, if it is something very specific, like you want green eyes or you want to be 6'3", and it's like a burning, yearning desire where everything else would be nice, but this is just the creme de la creme, I would recommend to manifest that first. Because the thing is, you are so powerful, and and sats and visualizing is so powerful that you're going to be able to manifest it in a couple of days at least, like at best overnight. So you're going to be moving on to other appearance changes later on anyways, right? So we're going to do that first, and let's just visualize ourselves with whatever we want to change. So like if we want green eyes, let's visualize ourselves having green eyes. And like, you know me, I absolutely love like imagery. I love imagery. So like I would just visualize myself having green eyes as like a photo, like a close-up of my eyes. And I would just assume that like I have those green eyes. But that's not necessary. Like if you guys have seen my OG Sats video, I said that I put no feeling into like manifesting 100,000 subscribers, and it just happened. So you don't need to feel, but it's a little bonus point. So if you're not manifesting something specific, you just want to be the best version of yourself, that's totally cool, that's totally fine. Just envision yourself as the perfect version of you. For example, if you are 80 kilograms with short brown hair and you want to be 60 kilograms with a long, thick blonde hair, with big ass jugs, with a big ass booty, with literally no waist, like it's invisible, like missing persons unit, Amber Alert for your waist, you don't have a waist, the best closet, like just go ham and sort of riff on it, go wild in your imagination as you are falling asleep, okay? That's totally okay too if you are not set on something specific. Now, if you're not into visualizing, you can affirm the following. As you are falling asleep, you're going from consciousness to unconsciousness. You're going from consciousness to drowsiness to unconsciousness. The entire time, as your head hits the pillow to the time that you have passed the fuck out, you are affirming. Everything about me is perfect. That's a generic one. Or I have the most beautiful green eyes. Or I'm 60 kilograms, right? Either make it very specific if your heart is set on it, or make it very simple, make it very generic. But nevertheless, we want it to be as short as possible because the goal is to fall asleep at the end of the day. At the end of the night, as I should say. During the day, we want to robotically affirm throughout the entire day. So we're going to be robotically affirming from the time we wake up to the time we're doing sats. If we are not busy having a conversation, whatever, we are affirming. I've had the best glow up ever. Everything about me is perfect. I have the perfect self-concept. Bam, those three things will do it for you. They will do it for you. Chuck in always and instantly in there. May as well wrap it up in a bow. Merry Christmas. Hugo is here. I would also recommend for you to listen to my glow up overnight subliminal as well as you are sleeping. You can access that right here. With the robotic affirmations, if you are manifesting something specific like green eyes, hazel eyes, brown eyes, whatever you want, freckles, whatever you want, the world is your oyster. Replace one of those that resonate the least to you in replacement with the generic affirmation. So everything about me is perfect. I have the perfect self-concept. I have the most beautiful green eyes ever. Let me know how it goes. You will be led to specific inspired action at that point. Like you see a YouTube video that is gonna give you the perfect skin. You are just gonna wake up with green eyes. There is no limit. Like it could be something that's realistic to you. It could be something that's unrealistic to you. It could be something that you follow with your inspired action. It could be something that you literally just like stand and like be a statue, because apparently that's what no action means. I'm making another video about this, about inspired action. everything is action. Anyways, that is not this video, but when it is up, it is going to be in the card up above. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Let me know how you go in the next 5 days. And I hope you have an amazing week. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing glow up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.